Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to interface RGB LED with Raspberry Pi Pico board and we will see programming in MicroPython. So let us get started step by step. This is a schematic diagram. Here I am using one Raspberry Pi Pico board and one common cathode RGB LED. These are 100 ohms current limiting resistor. This is red pin. Red pin is connected to 13 number GPIO pin, and this is green. Green pin is connected to 14 number of GPIO, and blue pin is connected to 15 number of GPIO, and ground pin is connected to ground. Okay. So now we will make program in MicroPython to glow this LED in different color like red, green, blue, pink, yellow, etc. So now we will see programming. So I will go to Thonny IDE. This is Thonny IDE. I will start here programming. So first of all, I will import pin and PWM class. So from machine library, import pin and PWM, and again from time library I will import slip. Okay, now I will create object. This is for red color. Red pin of RGB LED is connected to 30 number, so PWM and pin 13. Okay, green pin is connected to 14 number, so I will type here 14 and again blue, it is pin. Okay, blue pin is connected to 15 number GPIO of Raspberry Pi Pico board. Now we have to decide PWM frequency. So for red color it will be 1000, sorry. Okay, and it will be same for green and blue. Okay, now I will print here welcome to Wide Loop Robotech and Automation. Okay, now I will use while loop. It will be true because it is infinite loop, and here before using while loop I will create a function for RGB LED. So I will type here def RGB, and here I will pass 3 argument a comma b comma c. This is red LED, red dot duty underscore u16, because Raspberry Pi Pico board has 16-bit PWM, and here I will type a into 257 because I will use 8-bit RGB code. And again for green LED Okay, B into, I will copy this. I will type here B. Okay. Now we will glow RGB LED in different color. So RGB, I will pass here color code. So for the color code, I will go to Google and search here RGB color code. Okay, go to here and this is RGB color code chart. Okay, here if you want to glow this color, so I think this is red color code is 25500, means red LED will turn on at 255 and green will be 0 and blue will be 0. Okay, so 255 comma 0 comma 0. I will use here delay 0.5 second. I will copy this. Now I will turn on which color? This is, I don't know what is exact this color, but color code is 255128. Okay, so 255128. Okay, I will. Next is yellow 255255. So it will be 255. I will paste again and we will see the chart again. Next is 128255. Okay, so 128 comma 255. Again go to chart. Next is 0255 and 0. So paste, remove this and okay. Again is 0255128. So 0255128. Okay. This is 0255255. So 0 comma 255 and next is okay. Now code is ready. So I will connect here board, go to tools and options, interpreter, and here is board is selected, Raspberry Pi PICO and microPython, and port is 12. Okay, now stop and save and run. Why it is not glowing? 24 number, where is 24 number line? Oh, here is 2 comma. Okay, now run again. Wow, it is glowing good. Okay friend, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like my video and my work, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.